Ho, ho, ho! Before I start my deliveries, I had to stop by, because even I need to boost productivity at the North Pole. And trust me, the elves are begging me to bring in some AI.
And he's right. The same shift happening in tooling and manufacturing, it's happening in Santa's workshop too. The biggest gains now come from AI that amplifies your team. We're seeing the same pattern across industrial operations, tooling, machining, fabrication. Small AI deployments create big impact. And Santa here realized the same problem. The elves can automate, but they can't optimize everything.
Exactly! The toy line kept jamming, the sleigh routes got messy, and don't get me started on wish list processing. I needed real-time insights. And maybe fewer spreadsheets.
In manufacturing, AI is driving the biggest improvements we've seen in years. Faster decisions from real-time machine insights, automated engineering tasks, predictive maintenance, even instant quoting. And Santa, you're seeing the same thing, right?
Ho ho, absolutely! AI helped me spot reindeer fatigue before takeoff, automated half the toy sorting, and, my favorite, built a system that reads wish lists faster than I ever could.
This is the real story. AI scales your expertise. One engineer can oversee more machines. One planner can explore more scenarios. One operations team can run tighter and more confidently without burning out.
And in my case, one Santa can manage billions of deliveries and still have time for cookies. AI handles the chaos, I handle the magic.
If your goal is to produce faster, improve margins, and scale without increasing headcount, AI is the most powerful lever available today. It's delivering measurable ROI across every industrial workflow.
And for me, it means fewer workshop emergencies, calmer elves, and smoother sleigh flights. AI truly is the gift that keeps on giving, even after the holidays.
At Dypsis.ai, we help industrial companies turn AI into real operational impact. If you're ready to explore what's possible in your factory or workshop, let's talk.
And take it from me, if AI can modernize my workshop, it can definitely modernize yours. Ho, 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 let's get to work. From all of us, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and an incredible New Year. May the season bring you love, rest, and a reason to smile every day.